Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the best video editor for YouTube videos and content creating. First, we will know about the best free video editor. Some of them I personally used in past. In this list, we have VSDC video editor, Hitflim Express, DaVinci Resolve 17, Filmora 10 with watermark. Let's know more about the VSDC video editor. VSDC video editor is very advanced video editing software and it can do all of things what can you expect from a video editor. It is best option for those who are looking for video editor for low-end PC and also beginners. So we have some pros and cons of this software. Let's discuss it about pros. Free and very advanced software. Support tons of format for video, image and audio. It can export in HD and the final videos are compressed and very light in size. And the cons are very messy interface. Yes, this was very big problem. The interface was not very good and it confused beginners. And some features are paid and the keyframing is not very good. Now, time for HITfilm Express. HITfilm Express is professional video editing software. It can do all of things what you want to do or what you can think to do in a video editing software. It is one of the best video editing software I ever used. Take a low budget Premiere Pro and low budget After Effects and HITfilm Express. It can do work of Premiere Pro and After Effects also. The pros are alternative of Premiere Pro and After Effects. The con is main. The con is it cannot run in low-end PC. Like I am not using this currently because my PC cannot handle this. The specification of my laptop is Core i3 10th generation and 4GB RAM. If you want to run this software, you need iCore 5 11th generation and 16GB of RAM. So yeah, you cannot run in low-end PC. I tried to run in past, it can work, but the export time is 1 hour of 1 minute or 30 seconds video. If you run it in low-end PC, you get frustrated because the export time is unexpected. Now time for the DaVinci Resolve 17. It is one of the best alternative of Premiere Pro. Again, it can do all of things what you can expect from a video editor or what you want to do in a video editor. But the condition is you need to have a top-notch PC. You can't run it in low-end PC. That's why I did not try. Last but not the least, we have Filmora 10 with watermark. It is free to use. All of you know about the Filmora. It is one of the best video editing software and I'm currently using this. I find some con of Filmora. First is watermark obviously and second, the exported file was very big. Now you can see this example. Now the time for the paid video editor. The list is Premiere Pro, Hitflim Express Pro, Final Cut Pro, Vegas Pro, Filmora or Filmora Pro, CAMTASIA. I don't know the correct pronunciation of CAMTASIA. You can check it on Google. Now first is Premiere Pro. It is an industry standard video editor. It is the best video editing software. If you are a beginner and want to start with a great power, you can choose Premiere Pro or you can choose Adobe Premiere Rush because it is lighter version of Premiere Pro. It is especially for beginners and it was paid but it was free for mobiles. The second was Hitflim Express Pro. In earlier we will discuss about the free version of Hitflim Express and I don't recommend you to buy Hitflim Express. You can use free version of Hitflim Express. It was fully function and you don't need to buy the paid version. Next was Final Cut Pro. It was a great choice because it was very powerful video editing software and you can do all of things what you want to do in this. And next was Vegas Pro. Vegas Pro is competitor of Premiere Pro. If you buy Vegas Pro, you don't need to buy Premiere Pro. And if you buy Premiere Pro, you don't need to buy Vegas Pro. And the next was Filmora. Filmora was very advanced video editing software. And one of the best thing in Filmora was its interface. It was very simple. And next was CAMTASIA. CAMTASIA is a alternative of Filmora, but it also paid. If you buy Filmora, you don't need to buy CAMTASIA, or if you buy CAMTASIA, you don't need to buy Filmora. That is it for today. Thank you for watching my video. All links are in the description. You can check it. Till then, watch my next video.